Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Arslan and today we are on day 4th of building the problem solving skills through Python with the help of Boolean data types. Now if you are very new to this channel, very new to this playlist, let me give you a very brief introduction of what this playlist is all about. So in this playlist we have been building logic, we have been building problem solving skills with the help of Python. Now we started from a very basic question on day 1 where we have solved a very basic question as you can see on the screen, and let me give you a very brief introduction, brief knowledge about what we have done earlier. We have already covered integers and strings data type, and we are on day 4 where we are solving a question on boolean. So you might be having a clarity that we are on day 4 of solving the boolean data types. So we have already covered question based on string data types and integers data types. Right now we are solving question which is based on boolean data types. So we will be doing this question, and just before starting to solve this question guys, do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. Now what we have to write, we have to check string suffix checker, which will be checking whether a function, Python function that checks if a given string str1 is a suffix of another string str2 and returns true if it is and false otherwise. So what is suffix and what is prefix? Suffix is it ending with this means, let's just understand it with some example. Let's say we have input as input is equals to something. Let's say mango is a string which is my str1, and the str2 will be my suffix. This will be my str1 which will be a string, and second it will be a suffix. So suffix will be, let's say, go. This is my go, so it will be returning me output will be true because it is ending with go, so it will be returning me true. However, if I have another input as, let's say, input again as mango, and second argument will be, let's say it is ar, it will be output giving me an output as false. So this is what we have to do. Now let's start this question. So I'll be writing suffix checker, and it will be taking two arguments. First of all, it will be taking str1, and second of all, it will be taking str2. Now str2 is a prefix, sorry, it's a suffix. So I will be saying that if str1 dot ends with ends with is a function which will be checking whether str1 is ending with str2 or not. Return me what? Return me true value, else return false. Alright, now let's just print this value. So let's just take suffix checker here, and I'll be passing the same input here which I have passed as my example. So let's just take mango here, and I will be writing go here, and second one I will be writing, instead of go I will be writing ar. Now first it will be giving me, if we type it manually, it will be giving me true value, and second it will be giving me false value. And now let's run this code. So you can see it is giving me true and it is giving me false for my second. Now what I did here, I have used ends with function, and ends with function is a Python function which checks whether some string is ending with certain string or not. So this str1 is mango. Now this is checking whether this is ending with str2 or not. All right, if I just this question has been solved. If I just give you one, if I give you some more clarity about this, if I say print or if I say that a is equals to mango, and b is equals to, or let's say I do not take a b parameter. If I say that print mango mango dot ends with what, ends with go. It should be taking as string as an argument here. Now let's just run this code. You can see that it's printing me true value. Why? Because it is ending with go. Now if I write ngo, then also it will giving me true value. C can giving me, see it's giving me true value, but this is case sensitive. If I write capital N, if I write, it will be printing me false value. As you can see, it is printing me false value. So it should be the exact replica of what we have passed as an argument of the first str. So s first str should be the exact replica, means the ngo should not be like starting with capital N. It's a case sensitive. So strings are case sensitive, you should know it. And this is what we have to do in the question, guys. Hope you have understood this question on day 4th as well. And if you do so, please comment down in the comment section that you understood this question as well. And if you feel like that this playlist is helping you guys a lot in building the problem solving skills, please guys do share it with your friends and comment down in the comment section that you have liking this playlist and you have liking these tutorials based on building the problem solving skills. Guys, do share it with your friends so that they can also get benefit from this playlist. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial and this video on day 4th, and see you next time.